Ambassador. Sir, good evening, Ambassador, and Assalamualaikum salam, Dr. Sheikh and Ma'am Maruha. Meron na akong question kay Ambassador Nelly. Ano po ba yung advice ninyo? What is advice do you have for our fellow countrymen who want to go to Dubai, Ambassador?
Okay, actually, I always advise them like this. Kung trabaho po ang pupuntahan dito, they have to determine or to legalize everything, kailan pong magkaroon ng job order. So, and at the same time, marami po kasing nagpupunta rito na parang TNT lang siya. At ang nangyayari, na-abscond sila, then they will wait for 5 years para malifted yung kanilang absconding, para ma-pre-uli sila. But sometimes, you cannot blame Filipinos also. Kasi, sila kasi pag Pilipino talaga, the best ang ano nila dito. Masilbi sila, marunong mag-English, malinis sa katawan, kaya gustong-gusto silang i-hire. But some, not many, some, ang ina-advise ko sa kanila, kung gusto nyo magtrabaho talaga, mayroong job order para hindi sila naliligaw. I mean, illegal, entry.
Sa proseso. May proseso. Legal proseso.
Thank you, Ambassador.
Ikaw, Ed, may tanong.
I have a question to Ambassador Marquez, because there are many Filipinos going in United Arab Emirates, particularly Dubai. I have so many friends working there in Dubai, duty free shop and in construction work, and sometimes meron silang in-applyan na trabaho doon, but in a different position, ang iba ay napupunta sa mga maling trabaho at sa maling amo pa, maling employer, at ang resulta ay maltreatment o anong mga problema ang kinahantungan ng ating mga kababayang manggagawa.
Actually, ang nagiging problema sometimes at madalas, because of the position applied. Kung halimbawa, ang job order is you're only an engineer or maid, but sometimes a lot of Filipino also submitting documents related dun sa job na in-applyan nila is mga bogus na papel. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng problema. Kasi once na na-hire na sila, yung kanilang sinasabit ng mga dokumento na nag-rely na sila ay accountant or engineer or what, is puro peking mga papel.
So, hindi naman talaga sa engineer.
Hindi naman talaga sa engineer. Nagkakaroon ng problema talaga.
So, dapat ang hihimay-himay, ika nga, ng kanilang mga dokumento ay ang POAA. So, yun ang dapat na balasahin ng ating ahensya sa gobyerno, especially POAA, kasi sila ang may handle ng OFW documents.
Yung job order.
Yeah.
And you, my brother, you know the Philippine big country and the great country and have a big history, old history. And here we in Dubai, everything what we do it under the law. All the people same. All no, we don't look this Philippine man or woman or the Indian. No, everything under the law. But the law must all the people catch from this law. Don't do it against the law, my brother. This is what I want to know. Any problem here? Nothing, inshallah, between Emirates and Philippines about any problem about this subject.